Hello students, welcome to the class 3rd E Maths class, chapter number 1, Revision of Numerals. In my previous classes, I have taught you about the comparison between the numbers, the expanded form of the numbers, the place value and the successor and the predecessors of the numbers. Now in this class, I will teach you about the comparison of two 3-digit numbers. Among two 3-digit numbers, having a greater digit is the 100 place is greater. As on looking on the numbers, we can see here 613, 498. So here we can see on the 100 place 6 and 4. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. So the symbol mouth is open this side. So due to this 613 is greater than 498. This was a simple case. Now second rule is like if two 3-digit numbers have the same digit in the 100 place, then the number having a greater digit in the 10th place is greater. We can see here like 594 and 539. Here on the 100 place 5 and 5 are same. So now we will look to the 10th place 9 and 3. So we can verify here like 9 is greater than 3. So 594 is greater number than 539. This was all about the 10th place. Now we will look after the ones place. If two 3-digit numbers have equal digit in the 100 place as well as in the 10th place, the number having a greater digit in the ones place is greater. Here we can see 100 place number is also same like 3 and 3. 10th place number is also same 7 and 7. And now we will see the ones place. Here it is 8 and 5. 8 is greater than 5. So this number means 378 is greater than 375. I hope you all have understood the comparison between the 3-digit numbers. Now we will move to ascending order and descending order. Before starting the topic, I would like to tell you ascending order means the numbers from smallest to the greatest, and for descending order it is from greatest to the smallest. The numbers like 38, 83, 13, 203 and 302 are supposed to be arranged from the greatest to the smallest. So we will arrange it in ascending order like the most smallest is 13, then 38, then 83, then 203 and then 302. Now it is arranged in the form of smallest to the largest, and the smallest to the largest number is called the ascending order. Okay, these numbers are arranged from largest to the smallest. So we will arrange it like the most greatest number is 302, then 203, then 83, then 38 and then 13 at the last. So now it is arranged in a form of largest to the smallest number. This number is called descending number. Now we will move to the next topic, that is the smallest and the greatest 3-digit number formed using 3 given digits. Now we have to form smallest as well as greatest number with using only 3 numbers. Like here we are using 3, 2 and 6. If we place 3 at the 100 place, we can make 2 numbers, that is one is the smallest and other one is greatest. So first one is by keeping 3 on a 100 place 326 and next is 360 2. By keeping 2 on 100 place, 236 and 263. By keeping 6 in the 100 place, 632 and 623. We have to place one number on the 100 place and another numbers by arranging in smaller digits and greater digits. Rule first. If 0 is one of the digit, write 0 in the second place from the left tens place. Of the remaining 2 digits, write the smaller in the 100 place and the greatest in the ones place in order to get the smaller number, and vice versa. If we find any 0, like here we can see as an example, if we find any 0 in the number, so how can we arrange it? Like 0 is the smallest number, so but it doesn't have any kind of value. If it is on the ones place, if it is on the 100 place, like if we place a 0 here, it has no value. So for the smallest number, we will put the 0 on the tens place, and even for the greatest number, we will put the 0 at the tens place only. But in the smallest number, the smaller number will come on the 100 place and the greatest number will come on the ones place, and vice versa. For the greatest number, the greatest number 7 will come on the 100 place, and for the greatest number 6 will come on the ones place. Like here, smallest number is 6, 0 and 7. Greatest number is 7, 0 and 6. I hope you all have understood these 3 topics. Now there are some questions which you have to solve. Questions. You have to fill in the blanks with these 3 symbols. 82 is greater or smaller than 128. 43, 434 is greater and smaller than 439. And last one is 603 is greater or smaller than 620. Write the ascending numbers from smallest to the greatest number. You have to arrange it from smallest to the greatest number. Write the descending number. Now you have to arrange it in from largest number to the smallest number. Write the smallest and the greatest number using these digits. Like numbers are given here, you have to write the smallest number as well as the greatest number using these 2 numbers. 153, you have to make from it smallest number also and the greatest number also, and from 703 you have to make a smallest number as well as greatest number. Thank you student. I hope you all have understood these topics. Revise it, do the questions and do it in your rough copy. When the school will reopen, it will be checked. Thank you students.